Hi, namaste to viewers. So now we can discuss one important problem which comes in state level pre-final examination today. So it is out of textbook question. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. If area of triangle ADE is 9 cm square and area of trapezium DECB is 16 cm square, then show that AD by DB is equal to 3 by 2. So in this triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. So then first of all we have to show triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. Then we can apply 8.6 theorem. So which is, if two triangles are similar, then their ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. This is the theorem. So that is area of triangle ADE by area of triangle ABC is equal to AD by AB whole square or AE by AC whole square or DE by BC whole square. This is the theorem. So first of all we have to show triangle ADE is similar to ABC. So how it is? So in this triangle ADE, angle ADE is equal to angle ABC. So this angle is corresponding to this, since DE is parallel to BC. Then angle A is the common angle. In triangle ADE and ABC, angle A is the common angle. By AA similarity, so both triangles become similar. Then we can apply the formula. Now let us start solution. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. And area of triangle ADE is equal to 9 cm square. And also area of trapezium DEBC is given. DEBC trapezium is given. This equal to 16 cm square. So let us show triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. In triangle ADE, triangle ABC, angle ADE is equal to angle ABC, since corresponding angles. And angle A is a common angle. Angle A equal to angle A, since common angle. So therefore triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Which property? AA property. AA similarity. Next we have to apply the theorem. So we know area of triangle ADE by area of triangle ABC is equal to AD by AB whole square. Now AD by AB whole square is equal to area of triangle ADE 9 by area of triangle ABC. So he did not give straightly. So ABC area we get by area of triangle ADE plus area of DEBC trapezium. So 9 by 9 plus 16. So now AD by AB is equal to square root of 9 by 25, and AD by AB is equal to 3 by 5. Next we can write invert tender rule. AB by AD is equal to 5 by 3. We can write 5 by 3. AB can be written as by this AD plus DB. AD plus DB by AD is equal to 5 by 3. So AD is the common denominator. AD by AD plus DB by AD is equal to 5 by 3. AD cancel. 1 plus DB by AD is equal to 5 by 3. So we can transport DB by AD is equal to 5 by 3 minus 1. DB by AD we get 3 1s are 3, 5 minus 3, 2 by 3. Therefore again we can use here invert tender rule. AD by DB is equal to 3 by 2, hence proved. Thank you viewers.